What's going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Yeezy Slide Resin. Let's get into it.
This is Resin Music.
First, you're going to start off with the box, which is a normal box that has slide on the top of the box. Nothing on the sides, and on the front of the box right here, it reads Slide, made by Adidas. We're going to get to the front of the box, and it reads Yeezy Slide, and the colorway is Resin, Resin, Resin. Let's get into the insides. Open up the box, pretty much the same as normal, same pull-out box. And you got the same cream tissue paper going on the inside of the box, nothing spectacular. But let's go ahead and get into the main ingredient of this video, and that is the Yeezy Slide Resin. Alright, first of all, I want to start off by saying this is a very nice fall colorway. You got your sea moss, it's like a light green colorway. Not too bad, it's pretty much same as all the other slides, it's a different colorway. This one came out back in 2019, I think, when they first released. So this is a re-release. They came out today, which is September 24th, and they retail for $70. Came in full family sizing, so you had your men, your kids, and your infants if you want to go ahead and get them for the whole family. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and get into the aspects of the shoe. As you can see, it's made of all EVA foam, whole shoe, all upper and the bottom of the shoe is all EVA foam. You got that nice sea moss colorway coming across this whole top upper of the shoe. You got that nice adidas symbol right here going on the footbed of the shoe. On the inside of the shoe, you got the tag that just say made in China. And then on the opposite side, it says the same US 7 Yeezy made in China on the inside of the shoe right here. On both sides, you have writing. Then you have those ridges on the bottom of the shoe that's on every Yeezy slide. But overall, the shoe is very, very comfy. I know a lot of people might have passed on these because it's just another Yeezy Slide release, and I think they kind of starting to overdo Yeezy Slides. Like before, you couldn't hardly get them. Now it seems like they're coming out like every month or every other month. So seeming to be widely available now, but they still sell out because it's a Yeezy Slide. So everybody I know still be going for them. But like I said, overall, it's just a nice fall-like colorway. It's not a must-have. Like I said, if you do have a pair, I can see you passing on these because it's just another slide unless you need some more because your other ones are worn down. I can see you going for them. Other than that, I can understand and pass on these because they're not too spectacular. We're just gonna keep it real. But yeah, this was the right shoe. Let's get into the left shoe. Looks the same as that way. You got that nice sea moss green coming across the whole upper of the shoe and that EVA foam. That ridges on the bottom of the shoe. You got that normal Adidas symbol right here on the footbed of the shoe. Inside of the shoe says made by China. And like I said, overall, just a very comfy shoe. The inside is so comfy. Yeezy slides are just comfortable, period. So you getting a pair, I can understand it because it's very comfortable. But like I said, overall, sometimes it's just hard to get. But like I said, overall, it's just a very nice shoe. I was able to get mine at my local fitness line. I didn't even realize that they was coming out today. I just went to pick up my yellow toes, and it's like, you're gonna get your Yeezy slides too. I was like, oh, okay, sure. I didn't even realize I had hit on those, but yeah, then we're gonna get those. So I was able to get them today, and yeah, very nice pickup. Don't know if I'm gonna keep them or not because I always have a couple pairs, so it's not like I really need these slides. But overall, just a very nice shoe, and if you can get a slide for retail, then you're winning. So yeah, y'all let me know down in the comments below. Did y'all go for these today? Did you pass on them? Are you gonna try to get them in the aftermarket? Because I don't think the prices are going too high right now. They're kind of low just because I guess we're going into the fall and a lot of people don't wear slides in the fall and winter time. But overall, very nice shoe. It's just a slide and it's a new another colorway that we have seen before, but it just come back out again. And they did change the overall materials of the shoe from the one that came out in 2019. That one was more smoother. This one has a little bit more of a rigid type, a different type of material on the top. And overall sizing, these right here, guys, sizing of these, do not go true to size. Always go at least a full size up or go up 2 sizes. These right here, I got 1 full size up and my foot is still all the way to the top of the shoe, which I don't understand because of my bones that I got the same as that size, and I have my extra room like I like having. So I don't know if these were made in different spots. As a matter of fact, let me check. These right here were made in China, and I do have my bones right here. and they were made in India. So I don't know if it's a difference in how they're making them in these different countries, but let me put them up together, and as you can see the difference in the slide as far as the length of it. As you can see that the bones are longer than this one, and I don't understand why, because they're both the same exact sizes. So it's just hard to even find your size on a Yeezy Slide. So if you can try these on before you get them, I would definitely recommend trying them on first before you get them, just to make sure you get the right size. But if you can't try them on, at least go a whole size up and you should be okay. But it's just hard to say. It's a Yeezy Slide, so you just gotta pick and choose how you want to do it. But these right here, definitely go a full size up or go up 2 sizes and you should be good to go. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. If you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. And that's all I got for y'all today. So until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.